Okay, here are several Comfortmaker central air conditioning units at a commercial place in Iowa City. Here's this one. This one has a Copeland stroll compressor. And yeah, this is a Comfortmaker. I think these are all Comfortmaker units. Pretty sure these are all Comfortmakers. It's a 3.5 ton from 2010. And that has been running. Line set's sweaty. And then over here is a Comfortmaker Softsound unit. That's a 3 ton from 2017. And this one's also been running. It's about in the 70s this morning. And here we have 3 more Comfortmakers. And that one's running. Copeland stroll compressor. $3.5 ton from 2008. And here's this one. Pretty quiet. Yeah, I really like these units a lot. That's a 3 ton from 2009. And here's the last unit. There actually 3.5 ton. And there actually is one more unit over here. It's the last unit here. Here's a Sanyo ductless unit. It's an inverter, not running. And oh wait, there's a data sheet. Not sure what ton it is or the year. I'll have to look at that in a little bit. And here are these units again. But yeah, just thought I'd get a quick video of these units. Anyways, thanks for watching.